Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are over at Heritage Landing in Punta Gorda, Florida, and we are videoing the Birkdale model. This is part of the terrace line of condos that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Birkdale is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo right around the 1,200 square foot range. Let's walk inside and take a look at this beautiful layout. When you come into the Birkdale, to the left is your master suite here. That's a king-size bed for some perspective. You've got 2 closets. You've got your walk-in style closet right here, and your more traditional style closet right here across the way. And then you've got your master bath here with the single sink, the commode, and then you've got your standalone shower here. Now coming back out into the entry hallway, directly across from that is going to be your guest bedroom and your guest bath. So you've got a nice guest bedroom here. Plenty of space. Many people will even use 2 twin beds, which fits very nicely in that guest bedroom space. Then you've got your guest bath with the single sink, the commode, and then you've got the combination tub and shower there. Now back out into the main hallway here. One more thing before we get to the great room is you've got your dedicated laundry area here with your full-size washer and dryer, along with a rack for additional storage. And this all opens up really nicely into the great room area here of the Birkdale. So you've got your kitchen here overlooking the dining space, as well as the living space. So really great use of the space here. It feels much larger than the square footage would indicate. And the terrace condos here, last but not least, you do get a screened in lanai area here as well. That way you can enjoy all of your views depending on which community you're in. All right, guys, so this is the Birkdale, part of the terrace line of condos that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. If you're interested in this floor plan, please give us a call at any of the information that you see below. Guys, this is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.